What is a side hustle and how to make money from one? A side hustle is a way to make money outside of your 9-to-5 job. Your day job might help you pay for the essentials. But a side hustle, that's a game changer. Your side hustle will give you the freedom you always wanted, and make some extra money to achieve your dream life if you work consistently on it. Truth is, most 9-to-5 jobs don't pay the bills, especially if you're just starting in your career. So, you start a side hustle that might help you make more money today, tomorrow, or 5 years from now. Before moving further, please subscribe to my channel for more such business ideas and money-making videos. To be more specific, here are the top 5 side hustle ideas that anyone can start. Stick till the end to know basic things before starting a side hustle. Number 1. Start a blog. You can start blogging for free by creating a website using platforms like Blogger or WordPress. But it's not an immediately income-producing opportunity. You can start writing a blog on the subject you're interested in. For example, traveling or maybe fitness. But starting and growing a blog takes time. If you work consistently on it, you can make $1,000, or even more per month. Make sure your content is useful and unique in an engaging way, and not boring. Number 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer, without having to buy any inventory. You don't need to worry about shipping and inventory, the manufacturer does that for you. Your main focus should be on 2 things, marketing and customer service. If you don't know anything about online business and marketing, learn about it on Google Primer app. Google Primer is a free mobile app that offers quick, easy-to-understand lessons to help business owners and individuals grow skills and reach their goals. Shopify is the most popular platform for dropshipping. Click the link in the description to know more about it. Number 3. Start freelancing. Create freelancing gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, depending on the skills you want to make money. But what is a gig? It is a job that you will be doing for your clients. For example, creating a gig for video editing. How much money can you make depends on the gigs you take on and the platform you use. The secret to succeeding as a freelancer is to charge clients based on the value you will bring. To attract clients, make content related to your skills on social media platforms. Also, focus on building your portfolio and skill set on Fiverr, We Work Remotely, or Upwork. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the best income source that will pay well over the long term. Affiliate marketing is the process of making commissions every time you promote products or services and drive a sale. The best and easy to start affiliate program is Amazon Affiliate. Even a beginner can start with it. You just need to select a niche you're interested in. And you need a website or blog to post content. Start a blog and create content related to your niche. And put an affiliate link to the product you're promoting. I've made a separate video on making money with affiliate marketing. Make sure to watch that video. If you've just started blogging, make sure your blog post contains at least 2,000 words. This will help in increasing your search rank on Google. Number 5. Earn money as an Instagram influencer. According to Statista, there would be nearly 1.2 billion Instagram users worldwide in 2023. You can be famous on Instagram by putting content on what you're passionate about. Maybe you're interested in fitness. Or you are good at cooking. On Instagram, anyone can start a side hustle by becoming an influencer. You can also create content that provides value to others without showing your face. You just need to think creatively. Once you get 10,000 followers, you can monetize your Instagram account through sponsored posts, or promote a product. So, here are some points to remember before you start a side hustle. Don't mix your side hustle with your day job. Work on your side hustle on weekends. You need to love what you are doing as a side hustle for it to be successful for you. Whatever side hustle you do, Be consistent in it. Work hard and be smart when you work on it. Don't give up. Start and then learn. Take action on step 1 now. Don't ruin your health by working on a side hustle all night. Get a good night's sleep of at least 8 hours. Keep in mind these basic things and one day you will escape a 9 to 5 and live your dream life. Thanks for watching.